Hello everyone, welcome to My Fusion Technologies. Today I came up with an interesting topic that is called how to enable watchlist in Fusion application. Before we enable watchlist in Fusion application, I would request everyone please watch this video till the end, and if you find this video is interesting, kindly subscribe to my channel and share it with all your friends. Okay, let's go ahead and see why do we use watchlist in Fusion application. Then we will see how to enable watchlist in Fusion application. So whenever you switch it from classic UI to responsive UI, the moment you select newsfeed layout at appearance level, we notice that this watchlist is automatically disabling. So during that scenario, you have to go back. In case if you want to use watchlist, you have to come back here and then you have to enable it. So if you want to enable watchlist, so there are some steps that are mandatory, so that needs to be followed. So now I'm going to show you what are those steps and how to enable watchlist in Fusion application. So I logged in as admin now. If you see here, so typically watchlists will shown up next to the home page. Next to the home page, you can see favorites, watchlist, and bell notification. At this moment in my application, these three are disabled. Now let's go ahead and enable them. So in order to enable the watch list, what you have to do is first you have to create the sandbox. Click on edit page, then it will ask you to activate sandbox. Just click on activate sandbox. As soon as you click on activate sandbox, it will take you to the unified sandbox page. So this is a place where you have to select the layer. So I'm selecting page template composer. Select the page template composer, and then so this is mandatory in order to enable the watch list favorites or notification bill. This is mandatory to check in the sandbox. Click on create sandbox and then give the name for this sandbox. I'm giving watch list as a name for my sandbox, and then enter into sandbox. In order to enter, just click on create and enter, so that the sandbox will be activated and you will be entered into the sandbox, watch list sandbox. So once you enter into sandbox, just go to home page, click on home button. Once you go to the home page, click on username. Under username, make sure click on this one, edit global page template. Whenever you wanted to makes any field visible or make any icon invisible on home page, this is the thing. This is the icon that you have to select, edit global page template. Just click on this one. So in order to make any changes on the home page, if you want to use this icon again, you have to select under tools, you have to select page template composer whenever you are creating sandbox. This is also mandatory. So now I can go ahead and make any changes on this application. So below you would see this sandbox related settings. Okay, now I want to enable watch list. Why? Because whenever I moved from classic UI to unified UI, automatically newsfeed will be disabled. Now I want to enable it. So in order to enable, just so now what you have to do is just highlight the area that contains home page and bell icons. This is the area. So click on this area. As soon as you click on this area related settings will show up here under personalization settings. So just scroll up on the page. So scroll up to the component title bar. So this is the component title bar. Under this, go to toolbar. There is something called toolbar. So title table wall is there. Yeah. So this is called toolbar. Click on this toolbar. Select this toolbar. Right click on this toolbar. Then click on edit. Once you click on edit, you will get the settings that are related to the title bar icons. Now what you have to do is go to child components. So under the child component, you if you see here, there are different checkboxes are there. Here what you have to do is under default icon, these three are related to favorites, watch list and notification bill. This is related to favorites. Just click on this favorites if you want to enable the favorites, and this is related to watch list. If you want to enable watch list, so it's mandatory to select this option. So select this one. Now I wanted to enable bell notification as well. So first do one thing, just uncheck these two and then see. Now I'm going to test it. I believe I have checked the option that is related to watch list. Now just apply it and then click on OK. As soon as you click on OK, go to home page. Now test it whether watch list is enabled or not. See here, the watch list is enabled. Now I wanted to add other two options as well, like favorites and bell notification. So in order to do the same, again go back to the toolbar, right click on the toolbar, click on edit. Now as soon as you get the toolbar settings, go to child components in the toolbar setting and then click on vertical. This is related to favorites. So if you see here, click on apply and OK. Now favorites should be enabled because I have enabled the settings that are related to favorites. And then scroll up. See, now favorites are enabled. Now what I want to do is I wanted to enable notification bell. Typically that should be available here. I want to enable it now. So in order to enable it, just go here, click on edit. So as soon as you click on edit, the toolbar settings will be shown up. Go to child components tab, and a tail components tab, this is the checkbox that should be checked in order to enable the notification bell icon. So click on notification bell icon related settings here. So that is the checkbox and then apply, then click on OK. So if you want to test them, this is the way you have to test. When you click on any checkbox, which option is enabling, you have to check in this way. So now if you look at here, favorite, watch list and notification, all three got enabled. So that's fine. Now I wanted to publish this sandbox because I want to make sure these three should be visible for all the employees. So in the testing mode we see these are working absolutely fine. Now we'll go ahead and publish this sandbox so that whatever the changes that we made under this sandbox, those changes will be effective for all the employees. And then publish it. Click on continue. So now refresh the page. Just go to home page and then verify our results. See here. So now favorites and watch list notification bell both are enabled. If you want to use them, you can use them now. So this is how you have to enable your favorites, bell notification and watch list in case in your organization if any of these are disabled. So this is the way that you have to follow. That's all. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Thank you.